Hi, I'm Dr. Lori Hess, Director of Pet Health and Nutrition, and this is my Pionus parrot, Dale. Say hi, Dale. Being a little shy. I want to tell you a little bit about Pionus parrots because most people don't realize what a wonderful medium-sized parrot this can be. I've had Dale for 25 years, and I'm happy to say they can live anywhere between 25 to 40 years when cared for properly. As you can see, they're beautiful. They come in some very rich colors. Dale happens to be green and purple, and they're sort of the hidden gem of the bird world. They're kind of quiet, they're gentle, they're very affectionate without being clingy, and they're very, very loyal and very loving. Yes, he agrees. So if you're looking for a relatively quiet parrot that will live a long time and be very, very gentle and affectionate, but not too loud and not too overbearing, my Pionus might be a great choice for you.